12 life hacks that will help you survive. When you hear about survival tips or hacks, what comes to mind is survival in the wilderness or storm or other unforeseen natural disasters. Well, in this video, you will learn about life hacks that will help you survive in almost any situation you can find yourself in, including in your own home. Life isn't always butterflies and sunshine. Once in a while, there will be obstacles that could set us back. What matters is how we fight and keep going. Whether it's a simple headache or a difficult survival situation, here are 12 life hacks that will help you survive whatever life throws at you. 1. Dealing with a headache. Have you had a severe headache that was so bad that you thought your head would explode? Well, if that ever happens to you again, try this. Soak your hands and feet in a basin of warm water while keeping an ice pack on your head. Doing this will draw out blood from your head and relieve you of your headache within 1 hour. 2. Get relief from a toothache. If you ever run into a situation where a simple toothache felt like somebody is trying to separate your jaw from your head with a metal saw, try this. Crush up some dried cloves and add olive oil to make a paste. Apply the mixture onto a cotton ball and hold it against your painful tooth. Doing this will reduce pain and swelling until you're able to see a dentist. 3. Get relief from insect bites. If insects bite you, do this. Hold the inside of a banana peel over your insect bites to make swelling and itching subside. It works because banana peels are rich in antioxidants and have potent antibacterial properties. 4. Stop bleeding from shaving nicks. If you cut yourself shaving, do this. In the absence of a styptic pencil, apply roll-on deodorant on shaving nicks. Most roll-on deodorants have aluminum chloride that will stop bleeding from minor cuts and scrapes. 5. Heal bruises more quickly. Soak a piece of cotton with apple cider vinegar. Then hold it against your bruise and tape it in place. Remove it after 4 hours, or once the vinegar is dried up. The ACV will help speed up the healing process. 6. Removing a deep-seated splinter. If you get a splinter that you can't easily remove with your hand or a pair of tweezers, take a small glass, turn it upside down, and hold a flame inside it. Remove the flame and immediately hold the glass down over your splinter. It will create a vacuum that will draw the splinter out. 7. Avoid suffocating during a fire. Soak a towel or piece of clothing in water and hold that up to your face while escaping a fire. Breathing through the wet fabric will filter out smoke and allow you to inhale cleaner air. 8. Protect yourself during an earthquake. During an earthquake, don't hide directly under a table. Instead, curl yourself up at one side of the table, right beside the posts. That way, if heavy debris falls and breaks the table, you're at the strongest spot and less likely to get crushed. 9. Signal SOS during an emergency. Emergency personnel and others trained in Morse code will recognize both audio and visual SOS calls, which is an international distress signal or call for help. To do this with a flashlight, use 3 short flashes, then 3 long flashes, and then end with another 3 short flashes. 10. Make water safe for drinking. Take an empty plastic bottle and cut off the base. Stuff the lip tightly with gauze or a clean piece of cloth. Add charcoal and alternating layers of sand and stone. Water that passes through this DIY water filter should be more potable. 11. Make a stove from cans. Take a can and cut up equidistant slits from the lip to make 8 tabs. Fold in alternating tabs to make a stand. Then, cut off a hole towards the bottom of one side. Insert twigs through the hole and start a fire. To cook, place another empty can on the stand to use as a pot. You can also use this to boil water. 12. Start a fire with battery and foil. Get a piece of foil, such as a gum wrapper, and hold each end at each end of a AA battery. Hold the foil against fast-catching materials like dry leaves and twigs. The heat generated by the foil from the battery's energy will start a fire. These 12 life hacks will help you survive both the daily obstacles we often encounter as well as extreme emergencies. Keep these in mind, and you'll hopefully recall them exactly when you need them most, following our study references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.